on, you guys? So today we're back working on the Columbia of my friends, and we are swapping diffs between two trucks. Got the other diff pulled out yesterday, and this is the one that's going in. And we pulled it out of this truck. All right, so what happened is the driver was driving and was hearing noises, and yeah, the aftermath I'll show you right here. So we pulled the differential on my friend's truck. That is the worst I have ever seen. All right, well, we're gonna get back to work, and I will bring you along and show you once we get the diff in. Yeah, fun times, you guys. But yeah, the mosquitoes got out too bad last night, and oof, yeah, we had to cut it out early a little bit. So yeah, I'll show y'all in a minute. All right, you guys. Bless me. All right, so we have the diff on a cart. We're gonna roll it under the truck, get it set up, use the forklift, lift it, maneuver it, get it in so we can get the bolt started, and get the input shaft put in right here inside the diff. All right, we got the differential back in. About to fill her with fluid and take her for a test drive.